Hi, it's Colin here from Skypixels. Just a quick shout out to Den Lennie to say thanks for all your work and all your help you've given us over the course of the last few months, getting our business up and going. Before we started the Video Business Accelerator course, we struggled in lots of areas of the business. We were surviving basically from job to job, and very little time for our own marketing. But Den got us whipped into shape, got us to systemize everything, and because of that we saw a return of investment in the course of about 1,300%. So we've now got these lovely systems in place where we can track our work, track our contacts, follow our leads. Systemization will set you free, people. So thanks, Den. It's been great.